Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I got from my flat and greasy hair to this voluminous look using clip-ins. The clip-ins that I'm going to be using in this video I got from Asteria Hair. I got 2 bundles of the 14-inch in the Kinky straight texture. These bundles were super soft and they were actually so thick that I only needed 1 bundle to fill up my whole head. Some of my footage got cut out here, but I received 10 clip-ins total per set. So I had 2 3-piece clip-ins, 4 2-piece clip-ins, and then 4 of the 1-piece clip-ins to fill in the gaps. So first, I'm just going to brush through my hair really quick, and then I'm going to decide what side I want my part on. I ended up just keeping it on the left side. And then I'm going to go in and spray my hair with a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to give it a little bit of moisture. I'm using the One United by Redken. I love this stuff. It's good for any hair types, and it has 25 benefits that it claims to do. I'll leave a link below in the description box for anyone that's interested. So now I'm just going to start by brushing my hair straight back, and I'm going to start parting at the nape of my neck and then work my way up my head. Okay, so here you can see my first part. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight by any means. Just get it as neat as you possibly can, and make sure you leave out enough hair to cover your wefts just in case you want to pull your hair up into a ponytail. Now I'm just combing through the clip-ins a little bit just to get any tangles out, and then I'm going to straighten them just to get a little bit of the crimp out. Since my hair is bone straight, I wanted the clip-ins to be able to blend in with my hair as seamless as possible. I had my flat iron set to about 390 just so I wouldn't get the clip-ins too straight. Asteria also has a silky straight texture in their clip-ins, but even though I'm relaxed, I wanted to go for the kinky straight texture just because I feel like it will definitely blend in with my hair better, and especially when my hair is just blown out and not straightened, I think it will blend in even more seamlessly. So now I'm just popping open the clamps on the ends of the clip-ins. Just make sure they're open like that so they can slide in at the base of your part, and just snap them shut, and that is it. They are stuck in place and they're not going anywhere. You're going to see me give it a little tug just so you can see that it is nice and secure. I'm just going to keep making parts across the back of my head and straightening my clip-ins before I go ahead and snap them in, and I'm going to do that all the way until I get to the top of my head. So now that I've gotten to the top of my head and I've gotten my part in place, now you're just going to see me comb through them, kind of brush them out just to see how everything's blending together. And then I'm going to get those one-piece clip-ins and I'm going to fill in the front area where my bangs are. Now that the clip-ins are all in and they're secure, I'm just brushing it back just to show you what it would look like if I were to pull my hair into a ponytail, and it lays nice and flat and looks smooth. Now I'm just going to go in with my curling iron and put in a few soft curls just to finish styling my hair and complete the look. This curling iron that I'm using is by Ion. I got it from Sally's. It's a 1 1/4 inch barrel, and I will leave a link in the description box for this as well as the flat iron that I used. So this is the completed look. I absolutely love these clip-ins. They blended in with my hair very nicely, and they were so lightweight I couldn't even feel them. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next one.